Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to show you an international award-winning villa project by Delhi-based architectural company Arc Village 24 Design Studio Private Limited under leadership of architect Avinash Singh.
Luxury Villa Project of the year 2021. A very interesting category indeed. Can't wait to announce this one. And this one goes to Arc Village 24 Design Studio Private Limited, all the way from New Delhi. Please put your hands together for Arc Village 24 Design. What we see over here is the high-end villa at Chhatarpur. Beautiful exotic images coming from this high-end villa. Infinity pools, beautiful locations, beautiful exteriors, almost exotic to look at. Amazing, amazing win. And joining us today on behalf of Arc Village 24 Design Studio Private Limited, we have with us none other than architect Avinash Singh. May I tell you that architect Avinash Singh has founded Arc Village 24, which is a one-stop destination for interior and architecture design, commercial, residential and retail, workplace, institutional, hospitality, landscape, and in the housing sector.
Villa starts with a contemporary designed main entry gate and guard room leading in with a driveway along with lush green open ground equipped with a cabana, football and basketball court fenced with green walls along with a parking strip of 4 to 5 car parking. An abstract sculpture along with a water body behind a champa tree connects the front garden and building. Entire building is a simple combination of cubes of different size which create solid and void space. Boat near the water body gives the sense of resort within. Frontside double-height glass space with concrete texture slab cantilever intentionally designed to cut heat but not the light. Water body with planters next to double-height glass provides a cool breeze and connects the inside-out space where water has been brought inside the entrance foyer. Walkway next to the main entry leads towards the rear side of the villa through the green jungle. Swimming pool screened by plants from the front side is a hot and cold infinity pool with mini bar and submerged lounge. Kids pool which sets the mood of the entire rear private garden. One can find entire facilities to party including a barbecue counter, life-size chessboard, fireplace to green plants etc. Fully equipped gym and separate servant block ticks the box of amenities and services. East side of the villa has been kept open with maximum glass opening to get maximum sunlight and ventilation to the entire room. Arc Village 24 takes pride in designing interior spaces as much as any of its architecture. We would like to take you through the interior of the villa now. Heavy wooden door between double-height glasses makes the entrance grand. Double-height entrance foyer with full-height flying bird mural wall creates the foyer grand and inspiring. Water body stream inside connects the outside pond and tree. Pair of sleek chandeliers hanging from the wooden ceiling and life-size mural leaning from the bridge give space a contemporary look. A glass cube family room with cozy color theme furniture sets the mood welcoming. Next is a temple with a court outside and chanting space inside. We are heading to another double-height formal drawing area with a character wall and floor which gives the space a vibrant look. Floating firewall leading towards the bar area connects the drawing and bar intelligently. Low height sitting area in the bar makes the outside infinity swimming pool connect to bar space at eye level through a corner glass window. Full wall sliding glass door connects bar to dining area which can be accessed to rear side private party garden, which justifies the functionality of space. Home office at ground floor with access from inside as well outside becomes the need of hour in current work from home era. Courtyard with koi pound and life-size murals in the corridor add character to the space. We can clearly create a ground floor as a semi-private and first floor with all rooms as private space. Single flight metal spine staircase with backlight sartorial stone leading to the lift lobby enhances the courtyard and so is the center of attraction. An atrium with bird chandeliers hanging from the ceiling and koi pond below staircase keeps the courtyard cool and adds greenery to the entire space. Leaf pattern jali on the skylight creates a dynamic floor pattern in the corridor and courtyard during daytime. Master bedroom with specific color combination and texture make the room ultra modern and cozy. Toilets are very cut-to-edge design with stone cladding including onyx on counter, huge walk-in wardrobe and international standard facilities. A mesmerizing view of a beautiful champa tree in a water body through a grand double height space from the bridge says it all about the design process of Arc Village 24. Upper floor entertainment room leads to an open terrace garden with pergola on top. It's the perfect place for romantic candlelight dinner or sun bath. Entire house is designed keeping Vastu in mind. Arc Village 24 is very conscious towards society and surroundings. Along with all ultra-modern facilities, we have taken care of services which take care to run the house efficiently. Solar panels on the roof with water-softened plant and filter etc. under the private terrace garden gives more flexibility for party and stargazing time. Rainwater pit in the garden area is considered for the entire premises. Altogether, it's an effort to make a space dream to be in. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share if you like the project. You can contact us at the given address for your dream home.